Let's break down the components of a refractometer. A prism that is used for refracting light. An eyepiece that allows the user to view the measurement. A calibrated scale that indicates concentration. A reliable light source for reading visibility. The refractometer works based on the principle of refraction. Let's understand this in detail. The working principle of a refractometer is based on the phenomenon of total internal reflection. It consists of a light source, typically a small bulb, illuminates the sample chamber. A prism. The fruit, juice or jam sample is placed on a prism with a high refractive index. Critical angle. As light passes through the sample and enters the prism, it bends due to the difference of refractive indices. If the angle of incidence exceeds a critical angle, the light undergoes total internal reflection. Measurement. The refractometer is designed to measure the critical angle, which is directly related to the sample's refractive index.